Welcome back to my channel. Today we will see how to share documents with links from Google Drive. Make sure to subscribe now and click the like button and comment below. Okay, let's start our video. Go to Gmail. I'm already sign up if you don't have account from Gmail. Go to these 9 dots, then go down, click Drive, then go to click the plus icon, upload file. For example, let's upload affiliate marketing guide. Okay, our file is uploaded. You see our affiliate marketing guide. Let's share this documents to our audience. Click this 3 button, share. Let's wait. You see this button will come. General, under general access, click anyone with this link. Copy the link, go to Google, paste it. Let's see our links. Okay, you see our links working. This is our today video. I hope this video will help you a lot. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.